How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through the fourth and final treble reel of our four-part series. So the fourth step of four steps. Yeah, fourth step of four steps. So if you haven't learned the previous three steps, definitely go back and learn those three because they all connect, they all kind of like synergize together. That's a fun word. So definitely give those a try. The first step being the easiest, most straightforward, then we dice in a few extra weird in-out tricks, then we throw in some fast trebles and spins in the third step, and so this one adds in another element, and that's drop heels. I guess the second step kind of had a drop heel at one point, but yeah. We finished with the down treble and treble. We did a bang. We're gonna double bang that. So after that bang, we're gonna go right into a second bang. So at the end of that third step, we're gonna do another bang, and that second bang is the start of our fourth step. Now we're gonna go after the bang, down treble toe heel toe, down treble toe heel toe, down treble hop back. Okay. So even rhythms, so instead of just, we're gonna go dropping the heel and adding that extra rhythm in there. 2, 3, and bang. Following that, we're going to go, same idea, but now we're bringing it forward into a heel. Down, treble, up, and heel. And then drop another heel. Down treble and a heel, heel. so it's heel, heel, heel. Into treble, toe, heel, toe, down treble, hop back. Okay. So from the top, 2, 3, and bang, and treble, toe, heel, toe. Now, from there, we're gonna go down treble, switch, bang, bang, down treble, switch, bang, bang. So that first bang, it's kind of like our double bang at the start of the dance, where we don't put all of our weight on the front foot, and then we put our weight. So it's soft, down, okay? So same idea. Down treble, switch, bang, bang, down treble, switch, bang, bang. So we're always putting that weight down onto that left foot. So let's add that onto what we already have. 2, 3, and top and down. Oh, sorry. Kept going through that part. That was wrong. 2, 3, and. So there's a bit of a pause there after down treble and bang, bum, da 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 bum, bum. It's like a pause. Now, we're gonna do 2 switching trebles into a hop heel, and we're gonna cut with our right foot. Okay. To the front, it'd be. And then from here, we're gonna fast treble it toe back. Okay. And 2 feet finish. Again, 2, 3, and. Good, good, good. So if we did the bang bangs. Boom. Kind of a non-traditional way to finish. Boom. If you wanted more traditional, you can pull up and do all that kind of stuff. But it's more loose. It's more loose type of treble reel. So figure just a boom type of finish. Maybe make a pose or something. I don't know. From the top, 2, 3, and. Boom. There's the full thing. And let's try that to music. Right. 6 and 7, and here we go. Yeah. So it's a little bit faster, you know, whenever we take it up to full speed. So always, you know, take it slow, work your way to that speed, obviously. Yeah, because those fast trebles and drop heels and all that, it gets pretty fast at that, you know, that's only a 113, you know. But yeah, fun stuff. Works really well with the rest of the steps. As you saw, it kind of spills into that step with the bang bang. Hope you enjoyed this series. Let me know if you want me to do more series like this. I could, you know, we did that a little bit in the past as well, but I really do love creating steps, but creating them that like synergize, using that word again, with like steps with it, like connected steps. So let me know if you want to see more of that in the future. Drop a like if you learned something, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be releasing videos like this every week, so if this interests you, definitely subscribe. Definitely subscribe to know when the next video comes out. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Happy dancing.